Hey, what's up guys, Ollie here. So I have the iPhone XR here, the space grey model. This is a 64 gig space grey. Just a quick unboxing and show you around the phone. So let's get straight to it. But now obviously we just get the usual paperwork and stuff. I mean, nothing too unusual. I'm sure most people know what to expect now. Oh, it's actually much heavier than I expected. I'm not gonna lie. So in the box, obviously, we just get the normal charging brick. We get headphones, no 3.5mm adapter or anything, which is frustrating, obviously, for people who like to use their normal headphones. Obviously, you still get a cable, and that's it. Obviously, these are just normal lightning headphones. So yeah, let's put this all away. So now we have the device. So this is space grey, as I mentioned. Oh, it's actually really dark looking, I think. Much darker than I expected. I'm quite surprised. This is actually a much darker looking phone. But yeah. So, it doesn't feel cheap at all. I'm actually very surprised. It feels like an expensive phone. You know, even though this is supposed to be Apple's cheaper phone, I mean, it's not actually that cheap. It's $750, £750. Still quite a lot of money for one of their sort of like more sort of budget phones, you could say. But I'm actually quite surprised at how expensive it feels. And I think it's just because of that glass back. It's the glass back and the glass front and the aluminium band that goes around it. So here's my iPhone XS here to my right, and here is the iPhone XR. You can see the size difference. The XR is just a little bit bigger, not actually noticeably bigger. I actually think the size of the XR is quite nice. The bezel is obviously also thicker, so you can see the bezel is much thicker than the iPhone XS. Thickness is pretty much the same. I don't think they're actually that much different when it comes to thickness. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I actually quite like the aluminium band that goes around the edge of the iPhone XR. It makes it feel, I don't know, just nicer, I think. And even though this has stainless steel, the iPhone XS is stainless steel, yeah, I think it looks like a fantastic phone. You can obviously see the difference on the back. You can see how the iPhone XR has just one camera and the iPhone XS has two, but the colors seem pretty much exactly the same. So yeah, that's just a quick unboxing of the iPhone XR. Now I'll show you some beauty shots just to show you what it looks like.